They're looking at it right now. It'll be a day or so until I understand what's going on with it. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully it's not too much wind noise right now. But today's vlog, not a really good vlog, but I'm going to keep a smile on my face because at the end of the day, it could be a lot worse. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what happened. You don't see the truck right now because I was talking to my neighbor actually, and I had a really good idea to just go ahead and put this on the vlog and make sure I get this content out to you guys. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to you. This is the first vlog of the 2023 year. So yeah, man, let's just go ahead and get right into it. The truck is having some issues. This is the first time I've ever had any issues in my truck. So go ahead and drop in the comments Ford this, Ford that, Ford truck issue, found on the side of the road daily, whatever you gotta say. Go ahead and say it. But listen, this is just a whirlwind. It's a part of the business. If you want to be in the car game, this is just something that you got to do, I guess. But let me tell you guys what's going on with all of my cars, guys. All right, YouTube. So let me tell you guys what's going on, man. I'm driving on the road, on the highway, and out of nowhere, I get 3 alerts pop up on my truck. It is the hill descent control fault, service advanced track, and hill start assist not available while I'm driving, right? Hill descent control fault. And I'm just like, what's this on my dash? Everything feels fine, everything is good. I drive about another mile till I get off at the exit. It's still on the screen. I take those pictures and then I make a left and a right and it goes away. And literally all that day, nothing ever happened. Like, I'm just like, okay, cool. I don't know. It just popped up on the dash. Last night, I'm heading home and my truck just starts to vibrate. I'm thinking I got a flat tire. Whole time, guys, my brakes are actually like engaging while I'm driving.
No, God, please, no, no, no.
So I gotta get the tow truck. I gotta get the truck towed this morning. I go up to Courtesy Ford. They're 2 days until they look at it. They told me, guys, that's gonna cost me $400 just to diagnose the vehicle, and I have to wait 2 days. And get this, when I get there, their computers are down. So they can't even put me like in any systems or anything like that, guys. So $400 is a diagnostic fee. They said if only one thing comes back, then I only have to pay $200. But the question I really got from, I should have asked this, is does that money go towards like the fix though, or is that a separate cost? Anyway, now check this out. I bet you're wondering, so what's wrong with the Corvette and your Chrysler? Well, my Chrysler has been down for a few weeks because I've just honestly been procrastinating on getting it done. But I just need new tires. I have a flat tire and I need a wheel alignment on that car. So I just haven't been driving McBirthday as much. And then on this car, my Corvette, I need an oil change. So this might just be 2-part video where I get an oil change as well, my second oil change. But this car it needs an oil change bad. So if you guys can understand what I'm going through right now, it's just like, get ready to just spend money. Just spend money. Money is about to just fly, right? But I'm keeping a positive attitude about it because at the end of the day, it could have been worse, right? Could have had a really serious issue causing, something more catastrophic than what it is. Thank God I also have another vehicle, so I'm also still able to be mobile. But man, this is something. This is something. And I'm not here to complain. I don't want you guys to think this is a complaint video, because I'm going to actually go back to the dealership and I'm going to show you guys the truck, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what lights are showing up as well. I'm going to show you guys the vehicle. and then after I show you guys the vehicle, I'll probably cut that for this video, all right? And oh yeah, and on top of that, just yesterday, guys, I was just helping my dad get situated with an issue that he was experiencing with his vehicle. So I'm just like, man, I'm taking care of my dad's Chrysler. My Chrysler needs to get fixed. My truck goes down the exact same night, and now I also have to get my oil changed on a Corvette. Not to mention that I got some more expenses coming up, but it's just like, come on, guys, I just can't catch a break right now, man. But I'm gonna cut this video for now. I'm gonna show you guys what sensors are going on, because I have to drive back by the dealership anyway, and I'm gonna let you guys know exactly what happens next. All right, cut it till then. All right, guys, so I'm at the Courtesy Ford. I got my Corvette here. It took forever to get that oil change because I didn't have a walk-in, but I appreciate you, Miss Sandra. If you just so happen to look at this video, know that I appreciate you for sliding me in. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this truck. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I see as far as the codes go, or the errors that popped up on the gauge cluster and the dash. So show you guys that truck should be, I don't know if they even started doing work on it, because they told me that at the end of the day that I might not even be seen until tomorrow. So hopefully they are doing the diagnostic. I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and show you guys the truck. Here it is right now. All right, guys, so this is what I'm seeing right here, and status codes that are coming on. On yesterday, I had in the infotainment center, I had a alert come up for the rearview camera whenever I put it in reverse, but it's already on the rack, so I can't do that right now, guys. Yeah, so check engine light was off, traction control on, and ABS light on. So you see exactly what I saw. Awesome. See it, guys, lift it up on the truck, up on the ramp. You're looking at it right now. It'll be a day or so until I understand what's going on with it. Alright, guys, so you saw the truck. I didn't want to do my outro inside of the shop because those guys are pretty much going home, and as well as getting some of this stuff done and knocked out of the way. You've seen the video. I will not be talking about the Corvette oil change in this video because obviously it's probably already long at this point. Probably said way too much anyway, but anyway, check this out, man. It's your boy JamesAtkinsTv. Thanks in advance for tapping in. Be sure to hit that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe for more JamesAtkinsTv content, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy JamesAtkinsTV. We out.